let me first actually talk about AI in customer service. What are the generic use cases that people are using for, companies are trying to use AI for? So number one is chatbots and conversational AI. That's where it got started. They simulate a human conversation, provide instant 24 by 7 support actually across various platforms, whether websites, apps, and social media across, right? So that is a generic use case that lots of people have been using it. But the other thing that we do not know how AI can and being used in customer service is in predictive analytics. So what does that mean? These algorithms analyze customer data to predict potential issues, customer needs, and behavior patterns, right? Something that we are used to, big time in Amazons and Netflixes of the world, where AI is able to figure out what kind of content do I consume, what kind of goods and services that I buy, and then they, recommend some things, recommendation engines and those. But that's also AI in customer service with the predictive analytics. So that's how they're able to leverage, right? And then the third area is something that's coming up much more recently is agent assisted technology, right? So what does that mean? So this year, lots of people said it's agentic AI. So what does that actually mean? So this is where AI tools assist customer service agents during interactions by automatically interpreting customer queries, okay, searching knowledge bases. Now, based on that, so you go and research the past data or other research databases that you might have, you in this case being a business that is deploying these kinds of agent assist technology, and displaying relevant information on the agent screen, right? Essentially resolving the problems much faster way and improving the productivity. And in some cases, these are helping the human agents to resolve the issues, so the agents don't have to spend the time researching themselves, right? So it's an agent assist technology, right? So that is really coming up pretty quickly, and then this is really helping out. And other areas that you could see is a sentiment analysis. It's where can analyze customer feedback and identify trends and sentiments to improve customer service strategies, right? And then voice recognition is another area. It's used heavily in healthcare, but can be used anywhere. AI-powered voice recognition systems can enable more natural and efficient interaction with customers. Okay. And also AI in customer service is also being used for customer onboarding, can automate parts of the customer onboarding process by integrating into the workflow and then helping the customer onboarding process as well.